Welcome to our fulfillment center. Today, I'll show you how Amazon uses robotics to process millions of orders efficiently, step.
Robots optimize storage and retrieval speed by lifting entire shelves and moving them seamlessly through the warehouse lanes.
The queue is spiking in Sector 4. We have an amber alert on the inventory.
Rerouting the logistics bots now. Priority updated.
Each item is carefully handled to ensure accuracy and safety.
Every package is verified before it leaves the fulfillment center.